In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact customer support from your account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to write, so your issue reaches the right team quickly. We'll keep things simple and stick to the essentials with a few tips to help you get the fastest response. Start by opening the app or website and heading to your account area. Look for the profile icon. It's usually your avatar or a silhouette symbol, often found in the top right on desktop or the bottom right on mobile. Give that a click. This takes you to your personal hub, which is where support options typically live, since the system can connect your question to your account details behind the scenes. Next, select Customer Support. Depending on the interface, it might be labeled Help, Support, or Help Center, but you're looking for the section that groups FAQs, guides, and contact options. Go ahead and open that. You'll likely see common topics and articles designed to solve quick issues. If an article solves it, great, but we're focusing on reaching a person. From here, scroll all the way down and tap Contact Us. On many platforms, this link is tucked at the bottom of the support page, so keep scrolling until you hit the footer. If you don't see it immediately, pause a moment and let the page fully load. Sometimes the section appears a second later. Once you're in the Contact Us area, you'll see a text box or form field. Type your concern here. Be clear and concise, but include the context that helps support help you. A strong message starts with a brief summary, like a one-line description of what's going wrong. Then add the key details. When the issue started, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. If it's tied to something specific, like a recent order or a billing date, include those non-sensitive references. It also helps to mention your device type and app or browser version if it's a technical problem. Most importantly, never share sensitive information such as passwords or full payment details. Keep your message professional and easy to read. Short paragraphs or line breaks make it friendlier for the support agent. Before you finish, proofread your note for accuracy and clarity. Clear messages get clear answers. That's it. Once your concern is typed in, you're all set on this page, and